Hello and welcome to the Movie Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Quick look back to last week. Strong rebound for the markets last week as solid corporate earnings continue and the markets continue to adjust to tariff news waiting for trade deals. Looking ahead to this week, very busy week. You have tons of economic news this week with jobs reports and other key economic data points, and then the busiest week of corporate earnings overall. A couple of trends to watch for is the weakness of the dollar. Could be helpful to buoy stocks and limit some of the downside ahead, because when you look at many of the multinationals in the US, the majority of their revenues are overseas. So that weak dollar could help to bring some of the overseas strong currency profits back to help boost results overall. And then looking ahead to the economic data, key to watch for where the Fed's going to move, and the labor market will be key as we look toward middle and end of the week with ADP and Jobs Friday overall. And then you need to watch overseas with the discussions going with Russia and Ukraine to see if we're getting closer to a peace deal. But overall, it's going to be one of the busiest weeks. But meanwhile, expect to see that the markets continue to settle in this 5,000 to 5,500 range within the S&P until there's a China trade deal or some other news to move the markets one way or another.